Hello everyone, welcome back to the second tutorial of Selenium Webdriver with Java. And in this video we are going to cover the installation and setup of Eclipse IDE and Selenium Webdriver, and we are going to download a few steps that we need to work on Selenium Webdriver. So these are the four mandatory things that we need. So if you see, first we need to install Java. By default all the PC have Java installed. If you don't have a Java, or if you have a Java which is an updated old one, you need to update to the new version of Java. And the next one is install JDK. So JDK is nothing but a Java development kit which helps to run all the scripts which interpret and compile all your Java file. And JR is nothing but a Java runtime environment which comes within the Java development kit. So this Java development kit is more than sufficient, which contain both JDK and JRE. And next part is third one is a download Eclipse. So Eclipse is an IDE that we are going to write our programs. If you are a Java programmer, then you already are aware what is the use of Eclipse. If you are a beginner, then watching this video, Eclipse is nothing but an integrated development environment where you can write your programs. We will shortly explore what is Eclipse and how we can write program on Eclipse. Next one is you have to download Chrome driver exe file. So Chrome driver exe, in this series we are going to launch Chrome browser. So if you want to launch a Chrome browser, we need a Chrome driver exe file which will help us to launch Chrome browser. So like that, different browsers have different drivers. If you want to launch different browser, you need to download all those drivers exe file. So we will learn that shortly in the upcoming tutorial. So let's go ahead and see how to install and complete the setup for start writing Selenium JavaScript, Selenium in Java. So let me minimize this one. So first one is, as I said, we have to download Java. Go to Google and type download Java. Go to java.com/download. Free download of Java. Click on this free download of Java. You will get a runnable file. Just click on this and execute this. It will do the process. It will install Java on your machine. I have already installed Java on my machine, so I don't have to do that. But if you haven't installed Java, then you should do this. Or if you have an older version of Java, then you have to do this as well. So if you want to check what is the version of Java which was installed on your PC, you can do that using command prompt. Go ahead and click on the start button. Type cmd, which means command prompt. Type Java -version that you can see here, Java -version, and click on enter. Java space -version, Java space -version, and click on enter. So here you will see what is the version of Java. Currently I'm using 1.8.0. At the time of taking this video, this is the most updated one, I hope. And if you find anything, any other version other than 1.8, if you see 1.9 or 2.0, go ahead and download the most updated and recent version of Java on your PC. So we are done with Java installation, and next one is a JDK. Go back to Google and type download JDK. Type download JDK and go to this link, Java SCN download section. Here we'll find download JDK. Click on this option because this JDK contains JRE, so no need to download the JRE separately. Click on this download. It will take you to the download section, and here you have to accept the license agreement. Once you have accept the license agreement, it will ask you to select the proper JDK version for your operating system. So you can see multiple operating system listed here. I'm using Windows, so I have to download this JDK version. So click on this exe and run this exe. It will install JDK on your machine. You don't need to do anything or don't need to input anything. Just download and click on the install. It will do the process. So I have already installed this JDK, so I'm not going to download it again. So we are done with JDK, and next one is download Eclipse. So go back again to Google and click on and type download Eclipse. So it will take you to the eclipse.org website. Click on this website, and on the left side you can see the different type of packages that's Eclipse contains. So the most updated one at the time of taking this video is Oxygen package. So I'm going with this Oxygen package. If later maybe after 6 months or 1 year, if you're watching this video, you will find most updated releases. Go ahead with recent packages. So just click on this Oxygen package, and Oxygen 1 packages. Here you will see different version of different type of IDE. What we need is Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers, and on the right side you will see the operating system that this Eclipse IDE support. So I'm using 32-bit window operating system, so I have to select this one. If you are using a 64-bit, click on this button. It will take you to the download page, and it will automatically download. You will get a zip package, and if you're using a Mac or Linux, download the pick up the one which properly suits your bit and operating system, and download that one. So I have already downloaded this Eclipse Oxygen, and you will get this zip package like this, and you have to extract this using WinRAR or 7-zip or whatever the zip extract you have. Extract this one and keep it in a new folder. So I have created a folder and extracted this one. So if you go to this folder after extract, you will see eclipse.exe, this one. So just click on this one, double click, it will launch Eclipse IDE. So if you're launching it for the very first time, you will prompt with workspace. So you need to give a workspace, and this Eclipse IDE suggests the default workspace. If you want to go ahead with this workspace suggested by IDE, you can click on this launch, or if you feel that your C drive is full and you want to keep your projects in some other directory, you can copy paste the directory. So basically workspace is nothing but a directory or a path which contain the source code of all your projects that you are going to create in Eclipse. So I want to change my workspace to this path, so I'm copying this path and I'm going back to Eclipse, and I have given. So you will find an option, use this as a default and do not ask again. So whenever you are launching Eclipse again and again, this message will prompt. But if you select this option, it will not prompt with this message. So I'm selecting this option and clicking on launch icon. So as soon as I selected and click on launch, you can see that it created a .metadata in the neon workspace. And just maximize this one and close this welcome page. We don't need that. So this is how your empty Eclipse IDE looks, and we are going to create project now. So as part of this video, I'm going to create a Maven project instead of normal Java project, because in future Maven is not only in future, currently Maven is one of the build automation tool that all industry are using. So parallelly we will learn Maven along with Selenium Webdriver as well. So go to File, New, and click on Maven project. So use default workspace location. If you select this option, whatever the workspace that you set up for this Eclipse will be taken, and click on the next one. And here you have to choose Maven Archetype Quick Starter that you can see here. If you see this Maven Archetype Quick Starter, this is what you want to select, and click on next. And here you have to enter your package name, exercise 1, let's say exercise 1. And artifact ID, you have to give group ID as well as artifact ID. Artifact ID will be your project name, and group ID combined artifact ID will be your package name. So no need to worry on this part, just give any group ID. And in the artifact ID, what is the project name that you have selected for the project? Type the project name here. So now I'm going to enter module 1. So it's just simple, no need to worry on this. Click on this finish button. So now you will see that at the bottom it's downloading the package for Maven. It will download some default jar file on your Maven repository. So once that is done, here project is created. Go to src-test.java. Here you can see a package called com.ex1.module1. Go to this package, and inside that package you can see a .java file. If you open this by double click, you will see a lot of options. So you really no need to worry on this, and we don't need this as well. So I'm going to delete this one. So I've deleted, and instead of that I'm creating a new Java file. Click on this package, right click and go to new and select class. So by this we are creating a new class. So I'm going to enter a name. So the Java class name should starts with capital letters. So enter exercise 1, and if you select this public static void, it will create a public static void main function on your Java class file. So I'm selecting this option and clicking on the finish. So now if you see, we have created a class, and inside the class we have a main function. Now it's a time to start writing the script. And one more thing, so as I said, we are going to launch Chrome browser. I need Chrome exe. So just go to Google and type Chrome driver exe. So it will take you to a downloads Chrome driver page, and the latest release is Chrome driver 2.3.2. and here you have to pick according to your operating system that you are using. So I'm currently using Win32, but if you see that Win64 is not listed, but this Win32 supports 64 as well as 32. So just download this zip package. So it's downloaded. I'm copying and putting it in the module 1. That is the workspace I have created. Just extract this zip package, and inside the zip package you will see a Chrome driver.exe. I am deleting this zip. So I have, if you notice that I have put inside the workspace project name. So this is the workspace, and inside the workspace my first project is module 1 that you can see. I'm going inside that module 1 and pasting the driver exe, Chrome driver exe. So that's it, we are done, and it's a time to start writing the script. We want to launch Chrome driver, so we have to set the property of Chrome driver using system.set property. System.set property, and it will ask you two arguments. One is a key, another one is a value. So key is webdriver.chrome.driver, and the value is, because here we are saying that we want to execute Chrome driver exe, and the value should be the path where your Chrome driver.exe resides. So since this Chrome driver.exe lies within this source code, within this project module, we no need to give the entire path here. We can just simply paste this Chrome driver file name here. Click on F2, copy the file name and paste it here, and close this line with a semicolon. So here system.set property, we have we've just entered webdriver.chrome.driver, and we have given the path where this Chrome driver.exe resides. And next type and the next line we are going to create is we have to instantiate a driver. So driver is nothing but a Selenium Webdriver which contain instance of all other browsers. For example, if you want to open Chrome driver, you have to instantiate a Chrome driver. If you want to open a Firefox, you have to instantiate a Firefox driver. And if you want to open a Internet Explorer, you have to instantiate Internet Explorer. But these drivers are lies within the driver class, WebDriver class. WebDriver acts as an interface, and inside the interface implement all other drivers. So we have to create an object called a driver. So, and before that it's throwing an error and it's not giving any suggestion just because we haven't downloaded the WebDriver. So what you need to do is you have to download Selenium WebDriver and put this in your project. So to do that, just follow the steps carefully. Go to pom.xml. If you open this, you will find pom.xml. Double click this pom.xml and go to pom.xml, this one. Scroll down and here we will see dependencies. It doesn't contain the dependency of Selenium, so you have to add Selenium dependencies. This is applicable only for Maven projects. If you are using a Java projects, you can just download the jar file from the Selenium website and can insert the jar file, but we are going with a Maven approach, so we are not doing that, and we are going to add jar file as a dependency. So go to mvnrepository.com. mvn repository is a Maven repository that contains a list of all the jar files that we want. Type Selenium jar, Selenium server jar or Selenium jar, whatever you want. Go to Selenium Java, the first option. Here you will see the list of Selenium versions inside this. So pick the one. This might be a beta version or not properly tested because only one downloads. So I'm going with 3.5.3 version. Click on this link. Here you will see a dependency. Double click this and copy this dependency and go back to the pom.xml. So you have to carefully watch this one. Here you will see dependencies, and after dependencies there is a tag name called dependency. So you have to insert this dependency inside the dependencies tag. Okay, so I'm just clicking enter and pasting this dependency and click on or go to file, save. So if you see at the bottom, it's building a workspace. That means it's downloading the jar file for Selenium. So now it's get downloaded. If you go back again and if you place your cursor on the WebDriver, now you see the suggestions. Change to WebDriver like that. So pick on the first one, org.openqa.selenium. This is the WebDriver we want, and driver is an object for invoking or launching our browser. I'm going to instantiate new Chrome driver. So Chrome driver. So I'm just typing Chrome driver. Close that with a parenthesis. So if you type the Chrome driver, you will see a suggestion. Select the one Chrome driver, change to Chrome driver org.openqa.selenium.chrome. So that's it. We have created a driver which can work on Chrome browser. So now I want to navigate to google.com from my Chrome browser. So let's see, I'm copying this google.co.in link. I want this driver to navigate. So I should use a method called get. If you see, the first option is get, and inside this method it will accept one parameter, and in the parameter you have to give a web application link. So I want to launch Google just for this tutorial series, so I'm giving a Google link here. So go back to file and save, or use Ctrl+S to save this. And if you see here, there is an option to run your jar. Click on this run. So it will launch your Chrome driver, sorry, your Chrome browser now. So just ignore this. This is because I have installed some antivirus. That's why it's showing. You will get only this one. So now we have successfully launched our Chrome browser using Selenium WebDriver. So we will explore few things as well as part of this one. I want to maximize this Chrome browser. So I should use a command called driver driver.manage.maximize, driver.manage.window.maximize. So this will maximize the Chrome browser window. After it gets maximized, I want this Chrome browser to close automatically. So I should use a method called close. So what it will do is, first is a system.set property. Here we are telling the Selenium WebDriver that Chrome driver exe is available in this path. And next we are creating a new driver. We are instantiating a driver and we are assigning it to a Chrome driver, which means this driver get invoke this Chrome WebDriver, and in the second line driver.Get, get is a method actually. Get is a method which help us to open or launch the application that you have given in the parameter. And the fourth line is driver.manage.window.maximize, helps to maximize the Chrome browser. And the next one is driver.close, so it will close the Chrome browser. Let's run and execute and see what's happening. So it opened the Chrome browser and it's navigated to Google, maximized, and it gets closed. So you have learned how to open Chrome browser as part of this tutorial video, and in the next video we will explore more functions about the Selenium WebDriver. If you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.